Hi, my name is Satyanarayan, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of good reading habits. Many students, when they enter standards 11th and 12th, take a deep look at where they want to go in terms of their career. And this is where they start exploring a lot of entrance examinations. Entrance examinations can be of two varieties. Either they could be specific technical exams like the JEE for engineering and the NEET for medicine, or they could be general aptitude tests like the CLAT for law, NCHM JEE for hotel management, or even tests offered by private institutions like Symbiosis, Christ, Flame, and so on for a plethora of courses including mass communication, economics, liberal studies, and so forth. Now, the point is, does reading actually help? Many students are under the impression that if you're talking about a general aptitude test which contains verbal ability or English as a portion, then that is where you're required to have good reading habits. Well, that definitely is true, but it is not limited to those particular type of examinations or just competitive examinations in general. Let us understand what exactly is a good reading habit. You are presented with some reading material. You are quickly able to go through it and understand it. So, reading and comprehension. Is this limited to only the English portion of the entrance exam? Well, to be honest, whenever you are attempting any question paper, it could be an engineering entrance exam with a physics question. The very first step is you have to read the question. You have to understand the question, and it's only after that that you will be able to solve it. So, if let us assume you have exactly 60 seconds to read, understand, solve, and answer the question, and you are able to read and understand in 30 seconds, you are left with 30 seconds to solve and answer it. But supposing you are faster, instead of 30, you just take 20 seconds to read and understand, then you get an additional 10 seconds out of the total 60. That is, instead of 30, now you have 40 seconds to solve the question and answer it. So as you can see, a good reader actually manages to find more time to solve the questions. So obviously, a good reading speed is essential not just for the English section of the entrance examination, but for practically answering any question on any entrance examination. And why do we have to limit ourselves to just answering questions on an examination paper? When you are studying, it's not just the teacher who comes to the class, presents you with the material, tells you about the concept, and you're ready. You read the textbooks, you read additional reading material. To gain knowledge, you don't restrict yourself to just the prescribed syllabus. You might want to enhance your knowledge about subjects which are not necessarily a part of the recommended curriculum. So in that case, you do depend on good old books. So good reading habits are necessary not only for students preparing for entrance exams, not only for students who wish to crack entrance exams, but for anybody and everybody who uses reading as part of their daily life. Imagine you have graduated from a great university and are now at a managerial position. You could be a lawyer, a businessman, a sales professional, a marketing executive, a financial expert. But under all these circumstances, in your daily routine, you will be reading a lot of material, financial reports, investor reports, articles, briefs, whatever. And if you have the ability to read quickly and retain and understand that knowledge for a long period of time, it is definitely going to help you a lot in your professional life. So please do start the habit of reading. Now the question is, what do I read? The world is an open library. If you already are not into reading, you could start with some fun material. Start with basic novels. Start with basic comic books. Start with short stories. For all you know, you can just pick up a simple novel by, let's say, Chetan Bhagat or a simple Jeffrey Archer, right? Read and then start enjoying it. Don't set a goal that today I will complete 10 pages or I'll read for 1 hour every day. Read as much as you can till you are tired and can no longer read. Once you get into a daily routine of reading stuff, you can always expand the variety and the difficulty level of what you're reading. From fiction, you can move on to tougher fiction, to non-fiction. Read historical accounts, autobiographies, scientific articles, economic news, political news, business news, it could be anything. But make it a point to be well informed about things, and for that, read. You could read from the printed word, you could read from magazines, you could read on a Kindle, you could read on electronic devices. Read from wherever source you can. There are so many free reading material available out there. You can search for a lot of content and you can enhance your reading ability, and an entire world of possibilities opens for those who read a lot. So, what are you waiting for? If you feel that you need to add a skill which is not only essential for entrance exams but one which is going to help you throughout your life, then the number one skill which I would recommend is to read. Follow me on my channel and you can download the IQ app to help you prepare with various entrance exam preparations. I will try to list a few recommended books of various levels in the description given below. Till then, happy reading.